Hey, cozy friends. We are eliminating all excuses for 2026. Let's go. All right, this is the Sony ZV E10 II. Let's get into it. I have a small rig on here. Why? Because I am hard on equipment. I am hard on things. So any type of protective covering of anything, I need it. Let's start with this area right here, the movie icon. Where it's set right now, we're producers. Lights, camera, action. That's where it needs to be, at the movie icon. The red record button. Girl, what are you waiting for? Hit record. We're not hesitating anymore. Next is the C1 button. This is your background defocus. I call this blur the mess. Press it once and the background gets soft, just like a cozy morning. That's what we want. Next is our on and off switch right here. Flip it on when it's showtime, and off like my notifications. Next is your WT zoom rocker. This button right here. So for my lens, because I have an 11mm lens on here, if you've got a zoom lens, this is your come closer, go back switch. On my 11mm, honey, she said, I don't zoom. I just serve angles. Boop. This button right here is your shutter button, which is in the center of the power switch. This one is for pictures, or when you need a quick thumbnail shot and you don't feel like posing again. This right here, this is called a hot shoe, because this is where all the action goes. Your mic sits right here like, I'm ready to hear your story, girl. Let's go. Next, we have your big ridge wheel, which is this wheel right here that moves. And what this one does, it changes your exposure setting. So like if you have it in auto mode, it'll change the brightness. And then if you have it in manual mode, it changes your aperture, your shutter, and your ISO. So I'm not there yet with big boy here. So we're just kind of not speaking right now. And now my small rig, you see all these little holes everywhere. These ladies are like little outfit accessories for your camera. You can add like a mic, a light, a handle. You can literally dress her up however you want. All right, ladies, there you have it. The top of the camera. Join me tomorrow and we'll hit the backup. Can't wait to see you there.